Okay, now let's start with 2020 question. Again, only one question here, and then in 2019, one question. So 2020, similar question was asked. Again, I first counted the total uh, alphabets here. They came out to be 20, so I thought we should have a group of 5. And with the group of 5, I realized that the first and the last digits alphabets were equal. So that's how I figured the pattern. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And then I think I substituted the options, and then I found the answer, and it was pretty easy. Like, only grouping it into 5 was the thing, and figuring out that the first and last alphabets in the group were same. Now, if I would have done it into 4 groups, then let's say 5 worked here, but then because it's a group of 5, but then what if I would have thought that it's a group of 4 with 5 groups, right? So okay. That wouldn't have worked, because now here it's AB, but here it's here it's CB, then D. So that basically doesn't form a pattern. Henceforth, we cannot take this. 4 and 5 is what works. So in these questions, total number of alphabets, then find a digit which will divide it easily. Now this again, same thing for 2019. This again, we figured out the total number of alphabets, which is 15, then divide by 5, and then with the I was able to find this pattern. So what I did was I wrote like this. So this is kind of obvious, right? If you see here, these two are same, so these two should be same. That's how I figured that CC. So now this only had one digit to be filled, so I just filled this. So this is the pattern which is forming. Now then I figured that BC is given, so I wrote BC, and then this was based on this pattern, BB, and then BB here, and then this B was missing, so since it's forming ABC, like totally in this form, then I figured it's ABC like this. Or even the missing digit was B, like almost everywhere except there's B, so B would make sense. Now this is fine, this is done, pretty easy. If not much to ponder about. I could not find a alphabetical series questions in all these papers and these PYQs. So now we're gonna go to 2023's paper.